how to accept tag on Instagram. So what we're gonna do is we'll open our Instagram app, and after opening our Instagram app, we will go in our settings, profile, and we'll go in our settings. From there we'll click on the three lines, and then we'll click on settings, and there we'll go in privacy. There we'll click on privacy, and then we'll get to see post there, and we'll simply click on the post. As you can see, there's a plus sign which is post, and we'll click on it, and after there we can click on manually approve tags, and after clicking on manually approve tags, we will now see that how many pending tags is there. So as we can see, what we can do to bring this in our profile is we can click on the post option, and there we can get an option photos and videos of you, and hide from my profile and remove me from the post. And yeah, you will even get an option to add